Hello, my YouTube friends, and here we are. I am going to add a dust bath area for the Silkies. So what I did, I mean, you can use really anything you want, but what I did was get some landscape edging because I thought, okay, this is gonna work perfectly because I need one for here and the other two coops. So I ordered this, and let's see if we can make this work. Okay, I think it's gonna work. In my mind it's working because I saw that they sell these, like they sell dust bath frames. And I was like, okay, those are way too much money. There's got to be a simpler way. And I looked at them and I was like, oh, landscape edging. That's a cheaper option instead of paying, I think it was like 30 bucks per one. I'm like, no. So we bought this for 30 bucks, right? And so since they're Silkies, I think that's actually, what do we think? I think that's actually a perfect size. So right now they just have this area. They don't have any free range area because I've got to do the fence yet. I'm actually loving this. You could fit like 2 or 3 in there. Okay, so let's cut here. And I'm hoping this cuts, but I don't have any clue. There we go. Learning as we go, learning together. I got it. I got it. Okay, turn it over, flip it over. There we go. Yes. I love it when a plan comes together. Okay, I do need a hammer. So then I'm gonna do this. Let's see how many we have. So I'll go in there and kind of see how many I need. And then, I don't know what this is for. No clue. Maybe to be connected or something. Okay. Let's go inside. Hi guys. Hi Buffy. And put it. They've already dug a hole here, so I might put it like right there. Let me go get the hammer, and then I'll show you what I fill it up with. I got my hammer, and if those don't go into the ground, I've got the stakes for the landscape stuff. Okay, so throw these over here. I gave them some watermelon. Hi, Buffy. Yeah, this is like all rock. I can see it right now. What was over here? This is where the old coop was when we moved onto the property. I feel like this is a good scenario. Maybe. Should we see if it'll work? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I have to hold it. I'm always afraid of hitting my hand. Okay, yes. Woo! Woo-hoo! We love it. We love it. We love it. Love. Okay. I don't think I need, like, these two are together. So let's do one over here. Okay, let's see if we get lucky 2 times in a row. Yes. Almost. It's going. Oh my God, yes. Okay, let me come over here. There we go. Okay, so I know Buffy. I know baby. Come here, Buff. What? They're still kind of getting used to the coop out here by themselves. I mean, they have the rabbits, but you know, I don't think they're feeling them as neighbors. Okay, here we go. Come on. Nice. Okay. Come on. Come on. There. Okay. Looks good. Now we're going to layer it up. So I'm going to layer it with a couple of things. Let me throw this down and grab the bag. I got some, actually it's some compost. It's just horse manure. So I'm gonna throw this in. It's a little more pliable. And we're probably gonna dig down a little bit. I think I'll get like 2 things of that. Plus it'll have bugs in it for them. It's so hot and humid. Okay, I'm not going to complain. Let's see. Okay, there we go, Buffy. Okay, we'll put that in there, and then I'm going to get a little bit of DE, which is right there. Okay. Diatomaceous. Is that how you say it? Okay. Okay, so the DE helps with bugs, mites, flies, stuff like that. Next is some sand. I've got some in here. I'm going to use a little bit of sand, and then I'm going to put the rest of it in the rabbit coop because rabbits like to dig. So, making use of everything we get. Okay. There's a hole right there. Okay. I might sprinkle that around the DE around the rabbit house. Okay, here we go. Hang on, Buffy. Let's throw this in. Oh, it's like super hot. I'm just gonna toss these in here, and I'll throw the rest into their coop. And then mix it up. And that's pretty much it. I am going to throw a couple of little logs in here so they have something to perch on outside for now. Just set it over here in the corner, and then maybe a couple over here. That's it. Another step done with the Silky coop in the garden. I'll still have the outside fence to do where they can free range a little bit, and then I have to paint it. I've already planted some plants and flowers and stuff on the outer edge where I know the fence is gonna go. So this is Buffy. She's one of my oldest Silkies. So this is her sister. Oh, she's not coming out. She's not a nice Silky. She's such a brat. But they're still kind of getting used to it. It's only been less than a week, so they're just still checking things out. Eating some grain that they spilled. And then I threw some watermelon rinds in here for them. So it's pretty much it. Pretty simple. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.